Practice morning. Practice morning po sa inyo. So, ito si Raytan sa Boko, Siomai. And of course, actually po yung party natin is about the problem ng Siomai. Pero nakinig po ako ng kaprasong airtime sa kanya para briefly ma-discuss ko lang yung training. I don't want to miss the chance to talk about it because it's my first job sa Clavel. So there's also opportunity for us dun sa meet training natin, especially kanina, during the presentation, nakita yung potential with HRI. And si Ms. Joanne, kausap ko siya kanina and we were talking about it and we were excited about it. Because sometimes, when the times are wrong, medyo hirap tayo sa end users. That's why right now, malaki yung opportunity natin sa Thursday. Pero siguro po, pupunta na lang ako sa mga areas nyo to discuss yung meet training natin. But as I mentioned nga po, if we are able to develop HRI customers, eh, makakuha tayo ng mga state customers, eh, manipis yung 100 to 100 sa isang kilo. So, yun po. So, may mga ganun tayong opportunities that we wanted to explore. In the strike times, we will have flexibility. Kaya nga po nang sinabi nila, there are seasons na malakas ang process meat, there are seasons na malakas naman yung fish natin, and there are seasons na malakas naman po yung trading natin. So, I'd like to take this chance na sabi sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede natin pinuto dahil pagpunta ko po sa inyo ay represent ko. But for now, we'll talk about po dun sa Rebel Show natin. Gusto ko po magpasalamat, 2019 po tayo nag-start sa Siomai, may mga ups and downs po tayo, and we heard your comments and we tried to address it po. So, today I'll present po as part of the Siomai. So, first po, I'm going to discuss very deep lang po is yung problem natin na state Siomai, which is the point we start natin since 2019. So, ang price segment po natin ranges from 125 to 131. So, lahat naman po tayo kilala na natin since we have some concerns. And si Ma'am Faye po, halos every week po siya ka-work ng aming R&D team. Siguro po nandito si Chef Jason. So, ito po ang state Siomai natin, right? Yan po, i-improve po natin siya. Hindi naman po siya in-improve as in extravagant changes and all, but yun nga po, nilinis namin yung formula. Yung medyo konting off days, yun.
Guys, just to be clear, our pricing kasi we're going to the cheapest time. Okay? There was really room for improvement, I'm sure. I'm sure you know this, okay? But there's really only so much we can do with the price. So what we aim to do, which I think we've succeeded in, and there's just samples coming out, is really lilinis lang yung taste. Kasi before, I don't even want to say what it was, okay, but we tried our best to clean up the taste and make it a bit meatier. But it's not going to solve all the issues, because we're selling it so cheap. I mean, we're not magicians, okay? We can only do so much, but hopefully the next slide will solve the other issues.
And yun po. So we have other concerns din po because not everybody, not all our consumers are very much concerned about the shop. Some of them are also after the taste and the value for money. So we also have our tips of delights. So our tips of delights, which is actually within the price range of 160 to 165. Yan. Ang tinatapatan naman natin dyan kasi is si David's. So yung mga consumer natin na not really price conscious but are very, kasi at sometimes yung mga consumer natin, even yung medyo kapos na konti sa budget, minsan gusto din naman nila kung hindi nila masarap yung pagkain. So yung pack size natin is just 500 grams. So it will also help them with the cash out. So yun. So we have 500 grams of Tips of Delights. And for customers who are looking after yung quality and taste, we can just push our Tips of Delights to shop.
Yeah, just to add dun sa slide ito, for GMA, it's really, you'll be surprised, di ba? Ang daming GMAs, ang daming FC for crafters, holiday. you'll be surprised na ito yung isa sa biggest volume driver ng ibang dealers. They sell 50 boxes, 50 boxes sa isang sa isang dealer lang in one day. Kaya paminsan pagpunta mo sa palengke, ng alas 7, alas 8, wala na. Hindi mo na makikita yung David's Tea House kasi nga nahango na. So, ito yung sinasabi kanina ng Raysan na hindi siya dahil sa mura binibili ng tao doon sa mga nag-siomay. Ito yung gamit kahit sa mga side street. Kasi nga gusto nila yung pabalik-balik. Itong David's, you'll be surprised na makakita ka ng mga cards niya. Makakita ng mga cards na ito yung ginagamit nila. And sila yung sustainable. Ito yung nag-stay. Dito ba sila? Lumabas ang gemas, lumabas ang bloggers, lumabas lahat. Ito yung naiiwan. Ito yung malakas. For GMA area. Okay? So,
So yun po, meron po tayong mga samples na ipapakitip sa inyo yung ating steak siomai. Chicken pork and chicken.
improve.
Nilinis namin yung taste. Okay,
So, yun nga po. And also, we have a new line because yung kanina nga po, napag-usapan natin na nasa medyo mas affordable na segment yung asin natin, nasa premium naman yung Leaves of Delights natin. And indeed po, ito yung aming finest dim sum na siomai. Ito yung aming finest dim sum.
MVP ba?
Yan. So, meron din po tayong sample yan. May pieces. So, price point po natin is 140 to 145 per range. So, ito yung ating Philippines finest din siomai. And, ang tatapat na naman po natin dyan is it's a basket. So, meron po mga samples na
Just to add again, di ba ang pinaka-premium kanina is David's Tea House, nakakalabanin ni Dim Sum Delights. Ito is the mid price, which is Dim Sum Factory Kalaban. We went as far as Batangas, I know the area in Batangas and some area even in Ilocos. This Dim Sum Factory, ito yung kay Marvin Agustin yung lumalabas na model ba? Ito na nalabangin sa areas. Ito na yung lumalakas ngayon na
Sa amin, malakas yan.
Dim Sum Factory. Holiday City o yan.
Oo, dalawa pala. Akala ko isa lang.
Okay, so dalawa ang titirahin natin dito is the Dim Sum Factory and Holiday. And yung SK nito is not sa 1 kilo, it's a 500 gram, which is really fighting Dim Sum Factory, which is now one of the growing brand in the market. Kahit mahal, at 140, next slide is right. At 140 to 145 pesos, ang kalahati niyan is 75. Am I right? 75 to 70 pesos. 70 to 75 pesos. Yung 500 grams. Yan yung SRP ngayon ni Dim Sum Factory. So, ibig sabihin, may sagot na tayo para dyan. So, ito yung sample ng finest dim sum.
Pero yung Dim meron silang parang 20 plus 1, 25 plus 1, something like that.
Mga programa.
Ano yun? So, nakakinggan nyo yun.
Okay.
Sana tingnan nyo yung speed.
Noted. Yeah. So, 60 plus 5.
Yes.
Ay, yung plus.
Yes.
Sino to si Jemas? Jemas, si Holiday. So ito sa atin, we didn't sacrifice the size. We didn't sacrifice the size, we didn't sacrifice the taste. Talagang panlaban siya sa Dim Sum Factory kasi siya talaga yung nakikita namin na sustainable na lumalakas talaga sa market. Para siyang David. Si David kasi GMA yung distribute niya. Wala siya masyadong capability to distribute. Ang nag-distribute sa probinsya si Dim Sum Factory. Yan yung maabot hanggang Ilocos, maabot hanggang as far as Bicol, maabot si Dim Sum Factory. So, wala kayante pa yun ha? Wala pa kayante yan. As in, lumalakan lang siya, Dim Sum Factory. Okay? So, ito yung first variant that will come out from Dim Sum finance din soon. Okay? Okay. Okay. Next.
Ito po, bago.
So, as you understand, we have new formulation of the siomai, we have the names of the lights, and of course, we would like to relaunch our names of the lights and make sure it is positioned against the proper competitor. We will be supporting it with sampling applications on all of this. And later also, we have other products that are coming up. So, sasabay din namin siya sa sampling. So, yun po. Thank you and pumunta po ako sa mga offices ko para i-offer yung new products. Yes, sir.
Yung siomai natin, bumaba. Anong factors mo? Bumaba yung sales.
Okay. The factor of siomai since bumaba, mid of 2022, dumami yung players. Naglabas, dyan lumabas sila Gemas at Kings. Nila kung ano nga eh, meron pang Panalo, dami lumabas na siomai. Ang tira nila is just to present to sell the cheapest price. Sino naiiwan ngayon? Naiiwan na lang is si Gemas tingin ko sa lowest price. Pero sino ang nag-succeed? Sino ang nag-stay? Si Dimsum Factory. Hindi siya nagbaba kasi he stayed at that pricing, 140. Pero hindi siya nawala sa market. Kasi eventually, the people now realize yung mga sa size na hindi pala sa number of pieces, sa lasa, hindi pala sa presyo. It's more on sa quality. Yun ang siomai. Okay? We were in same wet market sa sa Binyan. Meron nagbebenta doon sa size D.
Bagong brand.
Tinanong namin sa Dimsum Factory.
Teka mo,
So ibig sabihin, talagang hindi niya sinasacrifice yung sabi ko, ba't yung ginagamit yung Gemas mas mura? Ginamit ko yan, hindi na bumalik yung poso yan. Talagang Dimsum Factory po yung aming ginagamit ko yan. So, yan siya, okay?
Yan may lasa na. Mas malinis, di ba? Tsaka yung aftertaste ng
Okay, next. Okay.
So yung number of pieces, medyo naka-affect yung IPs ng number of pieces.
Tama. Di ba nag-number, ito nag-number of pieces. Sa umpisa, nakapasok sila, number of pieces. Walang repeat purchase eh.
Inaaway ko kasi na.
Si Becky niya.
Inaaway ko siya kasi sa hotdog, di ba, nag-succeed naman talaga tayo sa plus-plus natin. But masarap siya. Okay? Sa bossing natin especially. Pero like the Kevin came out first with the plus. Nothing ever happened. And then si FCI nag plus 10.
Plus 8. Si FCI as far as plus 8.
Sabi ko, ano ba talaga? Ang gulo eh. Ang gulo.
Pero nung unang naglabas sila ng mga plus 6, plus 8, yung mga tao, na-excite. Yung mga nag-vendor vending. Pero hindi na-sustain eh. It was not sustainable. Again, going back to the topic, the objective, we have to release something that is sustainable.
As far as you're concerned, hindi na-sustain yung plus na yun.
Like, di ba sa factory has
Wala sa plus.
but they're doing so well.
Yeah. So, it's, I'm just trying
That's
to
what have to support.
Kasi, if I were to analyze, it's the same 1 kilo, so meron kang super jumbo, ang yung kanila, at yung king size kanila, super jumbo o red jumbo lang. Pero naman yung kaya mas marami. Looking at it, pareho yung 1 kilo.
Parang nagkita ng super jumbo, di ba? Kaya nag-invent ng king size. We have,
Yeah.
Pero again, yung kaya, if you notice,
Hindi masyadong factor yun.
but if you notice, we maintain yung steak at a low price. Just clean the taste. Natikman din naman, may iba rin
and why are we maintaining it? Kasi may customers na.
May customer na to eh. Ang customer nito, hindi sila masyado sensitive doon sa gusto nila yung mga more on the household. Ito yung mga pinag-negosyo ngayon na mayroon magaling na repeat purchase. Mas malakas na repeat purchase ito. At nasa Batangas ako nung nalali pa Batangas. Sabi sa akin na bumibili, naka-display yung Gemas. Gemas ang pinaka-product. Ang astig na wala na doon.